Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying out the new Ninja Foodi Possible. It's an 8-in-1 cooker. We're going to be doing a chili today. We'll be using the saute mode and the slow cook function. Can't wait to give this a try. If you haven't already, go check out the unboxing. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content. Let's get on with it. So the ingredients we've got today, we've got some vegetable stock, we have a green pepper chopped up into cubes, we have one large white onion chopped up into cubes or diced. I'm going to be using veggie mince, but you can use 500 grams of beef mince. We've got a can of chopped tomatoes, a can of red kidney beans, and then for the spices, we've got 2 teaspoons of mild chili powder. We've got 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. So let's get the onions and the veggie mince into the Ninja Foodi and get it on the saute mode. And here is the Ninja Foodi 8-in-1, the Possible cooker, I think it's called. As I said, only picked it up today, so first time trying it. Slow cook function, saute function, steam, braise, simmer, bake, prove and keep warm. So what we're going to do is we're going to saute the onions and the mince, and then once that's done we'll add all the ingredients and put it onto the slow cook mode. So let's turn on, and we're going to turn the dial to saute. We're going to put it on to low to start with and push start. Let's raise the camera so we can look inside and get these ingredients cooking. So we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. That should do it. So the add food has come on the display, so we're going to add in the onions. And you can hear them sizzling. Let's get all them out. And we'll get them browned off. It does come with a spoon, but I'm going to be using one of these silicone spoons. I don't want to damage the Teflon coating, but you can hear them sizzling away. We're going to brown these off for a few minutes, and then we're going to add the veggie mince. You could add your beef mince into here straight away and brown that off before we hit the slow cook function. Let's give those a minute. Okay, so the onions have been cooking for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm now going to add in the veggie mince. Add all that in. And we'll give that a stir as well. I'm using about half a bag of veggie mince. It's frozen as well, so we need to get that browned off a bit. It might take a little bit longer. Okay, so they've been browning off for about 5-10 minutes now. I'm going to turn off the machine, and what I'm going to do is start to add the other ingredients. So we're going to start with the can of tinned tomatoes. You hear that sizzling away. There we go. Next we're going to add the stock. I'm using a vegetable stock, but if you were using meat you'd use beef stock. So that's 250 millilitres. And I've got 2 vegetable stock cubes in there. If you're using beef you'd use 2 beef stock cubes. We've got the kidney beans. I've drained them and rinsed them. They can go in as well. And then we've got our dried ingredients. So we're going to stick all of that in. And we're going to give it a good old mix up. Okay, so let's give that a good old mix. It smells absolutely amazing. Make sure we get all those dried ingredients, all those spices and herbs mixed in. And once we've done that, we're going to be putting it onto the slow cooker mode. And we're going to be cooking this on low for 7 hours. You could cook it on high for 5 hours, but I've got time today, so I'm going to put it on low and let it just do its thing. Now the green peppers that we cut up earlier, I'll be adding those about 30 minutes before the end of the cooking cycle, just so they can get like soaked and cooked, but I don't want them mush, so I don't want to put them in for 7 hours. So just for the last half hour. Now that looks pretty much lovely and mixed up. Smell is really, really nice. Okay. So let's get this onto the slow cooking mode. I'm going to put the lid on and we'll get it going. So let's turn him on. We'll put it over to slow cook. It's already on slow cook. We're going to put it onto low. And the time, I'm going to go to 7 hours. Okay, and start. And that's all there is to it. I'll see you guys in 6.5 hours, where we put the green peppers in. And hopefully it will be an amazing meal. So we're at the 30-minute mark, 30 minutes left, and what we're going to do now is add in the green peppers that I diced up at the beginning. I'm going to chuck all those in. There you go. And I'm going to give them a bit of a stir. Stir those in. And in 30 minutes, our chili will be ready. So the time has come. The 7 hours are up. Let's have a look inside. Ooh, it's all bubbling away in there. Let's get rid of this lid. Let's take that away and we can have a look at our chili. And there it is. There's our chili. Oh my God, the smell is amazing. Really, really rich smell in the air. Perfectly cooked. Let's get this plated up and we'll give it a taste. And here it is. Look at this. I've got some lovely fluffy rice. Let's give this a taste. That is absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Leave any comments down below if you've tried this recipe. It's got a bit of a kick to it. And make sure to subscribe. I'll be doing lots more videos using the Ninja slow cooker, the 8-in-1 cooker. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.